Hello, here again today. I want to show you how to create a database using MySQL. Let's dive into it right away. Now, first of all, you want to open MySQL Workbench and you press local instance. And after clicking local instance, it gives you the interface of MySQL. And here, as I've just introduced it in my previous videos, you can go back and watch the previous video. It will explain this particular interface for you. Now we want to learn how to create a database into MySQL. So first of all, we want to type create database. It says Sezo Limited. So this is the name of the database we want to create. This one in the black is the name of the database that we want to create. And we want to close this. And now by highlighting this and pressing this thunder stripe button here, it executes the particular query we have typed in this query pane. Press it, and you see here it said created database Sezo Limited. And we want to see the database. We first have to click here for it to show the database. This is the database, and you see it here in the objects section to show that this is the object currently that we are working on. And this is one way to create a database, and the second way is to use the user experience. But let's first drop this one, this database. We say drop database and Sezo, and we press we highlight it, we press execute, and you see here it has shown in the output section that a particular action has been taken, and it says we drop database Sezo Limited. And you see here the database Sezo Limited is no more found, and we can no more see the database Sezo Limited in this schema section. So what we have to do is to use the other technique to create a database. Now the other technique is using the user interface. Now you see this symbol here. It says create a new schema in the connected server. By clicking this one, it will take you directly to the interface where you can create a new schema database. So you say Sezo Limited, and there's the name of the new database, and you take your cursor to the right and then you press apply, and you see it has highlighted the code that we just typed previously, just a sample like that, and then you press apply. You see it has created a Sezo database again. So these are the two ways for creating a database. And you see here it has given us a report that apply changes to Sezo Limited, that a new database has been created. And this is the way to create a database.